Hi, thanks for coming today. So I thought I'd give you a little summary of exactly what each chakra does. The root chakra is really great for grounding. It's about connecting to Mother Earth, knowing that you're part of this oneness, this tribe, this always ever present nurturing. So sometimes when we feel like we're not supported or we feel disconnected, we can plug back into that feeling of being completely supported by life. Creative chakra is the area in which we have made our soul choices before we came back here. And so it's kind of like we've come back to perform different creatives for the whole and also for our soul evolution. So when we're able to have a really clear and clean and activated second chakra, which is the orange energy chakra, light, and it's the area that we can get excited about. We have passion. We feel like we are performing something that is valuable in this lifetime. This is, also the sex chakra. So this is the area where we can really kind of cultivate a lot of energy and passion. The navel chakra is the connection to life itself, to the Creator giving us life, to the knowing that we have in our second chakra our soul creatives that we have chosen. And depending, it's not so easy. It's always, involving karmic and past events and environment and roles that we're playing for others. There are a lot of factors that go into choosing our soul contracts. But the navel chakra then is the life that brings us forth. And it's about identifying with ourselves and honoring ourselves and knowing that this life has meaning and that it's necessary. It's not by accident. It's not that we've made mistakes along the way. It's guaranteed that we're meant to be here. So honoring ourselves, really giving that, salutation to ourselves. Next chakra is the solar plexus, and sometimes people miss this chakra, but it's probably one of the most important ones to have cleansed, energized, and healed, because it's where our trust lies. And we really need to have trust in where it starts again from the bottom. We've got to trust our soul contracts. We know we've got guaranteed life to come back in and perform those. And so we need to trust in the process and trust in ourselves. Then we move up to our heart chakra, and our heart is where we can relax into the world, open up, and connect with all of creation. The ability to give and take, the energy that allows us to participate. And so this is our green color chakra, which is a symbol of let's go. This is earth-based. This is something that is part of creation. So we are going to indulge in it, and we're going to indulge in it from a soul perspective as much as possible. Then we move up to our throat chakra, and our throat chakras are the ability to speak our truth, to be able to go back down. We're grounded in the earth, we're nourished here in life, we have our agreements, we have our contracts, we have guaranteed life, we can trust in that, we can be in the world, and now we can speak our truth. The third eye is the ability to see our next best step. This is a knowing, our intuition. So when our third eye is cleared, then we know that we are able to really relax and allow the signs to come, allow those signals to to come to us in all its different forms. Crown chakra is the connection to the infinite. That's when we are moving all the way through this rainbow of light, these portals that go right up to the connection with all that is, the wealth of divinity, the knowing that we are here because of divine permission and that we are serving the whole in a divine way. And finally, we have our auric chakra, the energy that surrounds us, the area that we vibrate into and that the collective outer world consciousness responds to our vibration. So in the knowing that however we are appearing in this outer world and the outer world appearing to us is a direct consequence of the vibration of our auric chakra. So this is a really important field to be aware of in this 2020 and beyond. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And please like my page and ring the bell so you know when the next video is going to come out. And share with your friends. And bye for now.